In the past, I've done some portraits for cats. Not for cats, I've done portraits of cats. Here, let me show you. What do you think? Pretty good, huh? I wish that all my students would draw like this. This is very good. You can do better. But this is already very good. This one took quite a long time too. I think this is my best one. I'm really proud of that one. This one's pretty good. And then there's this one. Tell me what you think in the comments. Or not. Yeah, mine is not as realistic, but it's still a cat. Look at this one. I am sorry, but this is absolutely horrible. It is horrible to think that you can draw like this and be content with your drawings.